Hello, everybody. So today I'm gonna be playing Garden of Banban in Roblox with my friend. So okay. Here's one place. Oh, oh my God. Actually, now we're bad to go in the game. Just walking around. Hey, stop jumping on my head. Okay, started. Okay. For a parent looking for the missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay. Why is it all dark? Okay, Jumbo Josh, yes. Eat your vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Yeah, I agree. I totally agree. Okay. Okay, we got the remote. We need 2 batteries. I'll get the one in the cafeteria. So there should be one more. Oh, what's this note? Oh, I wasn't able to read that. Bro, where is the other battery? I remember one time when I was playing this, I found an egg there. Oh, okay. Looks like my friend found one. Where is that? Okay, this is mine. I'll go open the door. Go over there, my drone. Okay. Open. खुल जा सिम सिम. I think my friend also has to hit it. You. Wait a minute, what the? Wait a minute, where's my drone? No, my drone's missing.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it is. Oh, okay, there it is. Wait a minute.
Okay, our drones are literally attached. Oh, fine. Yeah. So which one's mine?
Oh, there's 2 buttons we have to click. Oh, Pila! Wait, don't move. I wanna hit her head. I wanna hit her. Go hit her head, my drone. Attack my minion. Yeah, go. No, my kamikaze. My kamikaze.
Now you want to live.
Damn. Wow, it looks like a movie theater.
is
And
mine.
get your
Okay.
prize. I wonder what my prize is. I like prizes. Is this an egg? It is an egg.
Now give it to Opila.
Opila, Opila. Num 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 num. I'm gonna feed it.
I'll give it. It's mine.
Nummy 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 num.
Give it.
I found an egg. Whoa, what the? Okay, found one more. So that's 3 eggs.
Don't give, okay? This is mine.
I just gave my egg.
Don't even think of giving.
Hey yo, why am I saying that? Okay. So how many eggs have we got now? Oh yeah, you are giving the 5th one. So you give the 5th one. No, the egg that you gave right now, that was the 5th.
Okay. Is that finished? Did you finish?
No, there's one more. There's one more.
Okay, where is it? Let's check. Okay, I can't check here. Okay.
Yo, what's this?
I think you found a key card right now.
Yeah, I found a key card place and I opened it.
I think it's
Oh my god, we were so blind.
what?
It was right next to the.
Where was that?
It was, you know, the sign here, right? It was right on that podium thing.
Okay, how did we miss that?
I know, right? Come, let's go to the other side.
Okay.
I see Ban Ban. The end is here. Sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. Yo, what do you mean, bro?
What?
I don't want to give him my pancreas. I need it to live.
Where? Sharing is caring. Your pancreas. Oh. Okay. Okay, that's weird. Oh. This is the naughty corner. Bye bye.
Who's my drone?
Need a yellow cooker for what?
Oh, my drone's here.
No, that's my drone.
Then which is my drone?
See, I think your drone is that one.
Which one? Oh, okay. I was looking for them.
This is mine because it always follows me. Yeah, this one is yours. The end is here. I'm just killing this place.
Yep, that one is mine only. Okay,
Okay, so where is the thing?
what do we have to?
Find a card, right? This is bad.
Oh, I understand.
So sprinkle it everywhere. Captain Fable says ooga booga booga booga.
Go there. Come here.
I don't want to share my pancreas with you because
Go
I
there.
need them for you. I'm just destroying this place. Yay, destroy it.
Go there.
Nobody cares about it anyway.
Wait. I'm trying to get the key card.
Fine.
Where is it now? Oh,
Look on mine.
oh, just keep hitting that.
Yeah, that's mine. That's mine.
No, the one that I am keeping is mine.
Oh, that. Okay, mine is broken right now. Okay, let's see.
Don't care about that.
Did you just break that thing? Wait, does it count? Oh,
Yes, I did break it.
nothing happened. Okay, what?
Bro, what?
We have to do something too. Okay, let's see.
Peepity peepity peep.
Yeah, I don't see anything here, so
What
where is the
is?
key card? Okay.
Oh, wait. They said no, they will give us one prize.
Yeah.
We didn't get anything. We still have one more missing egg then.
Yeah, bro. I have to eat, okay? Then I'll call you later.
Okay, I'll stop the recording now.
More or later. Bye.
Bye bye.